Hey guys, so let's go through this question over here. So it says the number of bees leaving a hive was observed and recorded over 14 days at different times of day. So looking at this graph, let's assess what we've got. On the y-axis, we've got the number of bees, and on the x-axis, we've got the time spanning from 8 a.m. to noon. And so our question says, which Pearson's correlation coefficient best describes the observations? The first thing that you want to do is always assess your answer options. We can see that we've got two negative Pearson correlation coefficients and two positive Pearson's correlation coefficient, each with a big gap between them. So let's go through the process of elimination and see if we can get closer to one correct answer by studying our graph. So the first thing that we want to do is we want to look at our scatter plot here. If we imagine a line of best fit, so a proper line of best fit will go through your data. So something that looks like that. Now, this line of best fit that we've drawn there is clearly sloping upwards. The reason why we know it's sloping upwards is because we always read our graph from left to right. And a positive slope means a positive gradient. It also means a positive Pearson's correlation coefficient. So just by knowing that, we have automatically ruled out answer option A and answer option B. And just by doing that, we have increased our chance of getting this question right from 25% to 50%. So let's look at the remaining options. We've got an answer option of 0.2 and 0.8. Now, a Pearson correlation coefficient of 0.2 is very low. And what that would look like is a scatter plot that has dots that are quite far away from each other and quite far away from the line of best fit. And so when we look at our graph here, clearly our line of best fit shows that our scatter plot points are quite close not only to that line of best fit, but also to each other and to this perfect straight line. They're not perfect, but they're pretty close. And so a perfect Pearson correlation coefficient is 1. Okay, for positively correlated variables. In this case, we've clearly got a positive correlation because you've got a line of best fit that slopes upwards. And so putting all that data together, knowing that our scatter plot points are quite close, not only to each other, but also to the line of best fit, tells me that the Pearson's correlation coefficient is pretty close to 1. And so the only answer option that reflects that would be D. And that is what makes D the correct answer for this question.